Hey fam, if you're feeling tight or need a quick reset for your body, this 5-minute stretch routine is exactly what you need. We're going to target your hips, back, legs to improve flexibility and release any tension. Let's get started and flow through this together. Let's begin with thread the needle to open up the upper back and shoulders. Start on all fours with your wrists under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Take your right arm and thread it under your left arm, lowering your right shoulder and ear down to the mat. Feel that deep stretch in your upper back and shoulders. Hold this position for 50 seconds, breathing deeply. Each time you exhale, allow your body to relax a little deeper into the stretch. This is perfect for releasing tension, especially if you've been hunched over all day. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now let's switch sides. Reach your left arm underneath your right arm, lowering your shoulder and ear to the mat. Keep your hips square and steady while feeling the stretch in your upper back. Breathe deeply here for 50 seconds. With each breath, let go of any tension in your upper body. This stretch helps relieve stress in your shoulders, spine, and making you feel lighter and more relaxed. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next, sit down with your legs extended straight in front of you for a seated forward fold. Inhale to lengthen your spine, and as you exhale, fold forward over your legs. Reach for your toes, ankles, or shins, wherever you can comfortably reach. Hold for 30 seconds, feeling the stretch through your hamstrings and lower back. With each exhale, try to release a little deeper into the stretch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lie back on the mat for a gentle knee to chest stretch. Hug your left knee into your chest, keeping your right leg extended on the floor. This stretch helps release tension in your lower back and hips. Hold here for 30 seconds. Each time you exhale, pull your knee a little closer to your chest. Feel that release in your lower back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch sides now. Hug your right knee into your chest while keeping your left leg extended. Feel the stretch through your lower back and glutes. Hold for 30 seconds, letting your body relax with each breath. This stretch is great for improving flexibility and releasing tightness in the hips and lower back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to open up the hips with a figure 4 stretch. Cross your left ankle over your right knee, forming a figure 4 shape. Lift your right foot off the ground and hold the back of your right thigh or your shin. Hold for 40 seconds, feeling the stretch deep in your left hip and glutes. This is a great stretch for releasing tension after sitting for long periods. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch to the other side now. Cross your right ankle over your left knee, forming a figure 4. Lift your left foot off the ground and hold your thigh or shin, pulling your legs toward your chest. Hold for 40 seconds, breathing deeply. Feel that stretch in your right hip and glutes. This is perfect for increasing hip flexibility and reducing tightness. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's strengthen those glutes with a single leg glute bridge. Lie on your back with your knees bent. Extend your left leg straight up toward the ceiling and press through your right heel to lift your hips toward the sky. Squeeze your glutes at the top. Lower your hips back down and repeat for 40 seconds. Focus on keeping your hips level and your core engaged as you lift. This move stretches your hip flexors while strengthening the glutes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch sides out. Extend your right leg up toward the ceiling and press through your left heel to lift up your hips. Squeeze up and lower down with control. Continue for 40 seconds, focusing on smooth, controlled movements. This stretch not only strengthens your glutes, but also improves flexibility in your hips and lower back. Awesome job, fam. In just 5 minutes, you've stretched and strengthened your hips, back, and glutes. This routine helps improve flexibility, release tension, and increase mobility. Fam, let me know in the comments how you feel, and don't forget to subscribe. Save this stretch for whenever you need a quick reset, and let's keep your body feeling great. Let's go!